Hey everyone, welcome back. Ryan Troyer TV. In this episode, we are going to be going over a skid steer project, demolishing a playground. Let's go make some money. It's Ryan Troyer TV. What I love about a project like this is there's not a lot of competition at the top. So the big demo companies, they're really not going to touch a project like this just because they make money doing a lot of other large projects, large building teardowns. So something like this isn't worth their time. For me, it's an easy in and out job. A truck, a trailer, a skid steer, and a dump truck was all that was needed for this. Easy in and out. Getting right into the numbers on this project, it was $1,685, $65 dump fee. We had 3 guys total, roughly an hour each with drive time to the dump afterwards. Fuel was right around $40, and it took roughly 15 to 20 minutes to complete the entire project. So if you are in the business or getting in the business and you would like to get jobs like this, best way to advertise that I advertise for my demolition services is Facebook ads and Google ads. So if you don't know how to start on those, get started, head over to Fiverr.com or Upwork.com and find someone who specializes in ad campaigns. So this job was a repeat customer. It's an apartment community. We do a lot of work for them. So it was a no-brainer for them to have us come out. We're probably the only bid they actually got on this project. So it was a win-win for us and for them because we always deliver. If you guys like this video or want me to do any other types of video in the junk removal demolition space, let me know, drop a comment below. Otherwise, just be sure to subscribe for more content. Gonna keep pushing videos your way.